I just want to show you what I've been working on. I've been revamping my display for conventions. I've been wanting to revamp this for a long time, and it's starting to get together. Still a lot more work. I'm trying to make like cute little decorations to like cover things, and then I have a few that are like the clips. I made them into clips, magnetic, so I can like click these guys, because I actually got some lights to put around. There we go. They're so cute. Also, I got new products, so I have these new like heart-shaped buttons. I got Connor, there we go. Yugi ones, original whatever. I'm just really excited because like I've always wanted these kind of like buttons, and I finally get to have the hearts and the stars, and I'm waiting for my other ones to come in hopefully soon. And I got new little focusing, hold on, there we go, new little like pins. I can't afford the enamel ones, so I got the plastic ones, so that way, but they're still pretty cute. So I got some of the original ones. I can't show you this one because YouTube probably wouldn't like it. I'm sorry. But yeah, so my display is actually all magnetic. I really like it. I decided I have all these frames, so I painted the frames and then decided, oh, this is a good way to display things. Also, this display opens and closes, which I like. So I'm just trying to get that nice and pretty. And then this side, I actually got this. There we go. I was with my friend, and there's a whole bunch of stores going out of business, sadly for them, but good for me because they had the acrylic stand, and I got it for like $8, and I was so excited because these guys are so expensive. And I was looking for something, and I didn't want to pay like $200 for it, and then I found this to display my new little postcards. Yay! So I got all my little cute little postcards. I'm still organizing, I'm sorry. I have a convention in like, it's 2 weeks now? Yeah, 2 weeks. So, all those guys. I got my stickers here. I have stickers organized here because I'm going to display them. Where is it? Ugh, so much stuff. My cardboard? Not my cardboard, sorry, my, I forget what it's called. This thing. Yeah. I don't remember what it's called. Whatever. It's okay. So hopefully I'll be displaying this on there, or I'll display them up here because they do fit like above this. So yeah, just a lot of things to do, a lot of messy going on because I'm trying to make new stuff and put things together. So, woo.
Inside the book that I wrote, all of the words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes.
I got some new equipment for my videos, and I'm really excited because, well, I mean, it's new stuff, so yeah. So I got this really cool like tripod for my phone, and it also works as like a selfie stick and some other neat stuff. But I got this one because you can actually put a microphone or lights on top of it, and I bought a microphone, so hopefully my audio will sound a little better, but we'll figure it out when it happens. And actually the microphone is twice the size as I thought. Like, I thought it was gonna be like this big, but it's like the size of my hand, and it's just ridiculous. I don't know what to do with it. Oh, it's gonna be funny because it's gonna look so professional, and then I'm just gonna attach my phone to it. I think I can actually attach some other stuff. This is the telepod. Huh. Creative Joby, and it does all kinds of cool stuff. I'll figure it out eventually. And then the microphone that I got is Video Mic Go, lightweight on camera microphone, which is bigger than my phone. So yay! That's gonna be fun too to use. So hopefully I can try this out soon, and then hopefully you guys can see a difference. Show you guys what I've been doing. I'm also using my new microphone, so hopefully it's working and there's no crackling. I was getting some crackling earlier, but yeah, this is some of the stuff for the convention prep time. I got a few more days. So basically, I have my box of decorations that I made. I have my books are in here. I have 16, I think. I have all my postcards and my cards in here, and then in here I have my buttons and pins and some of my other decorations. So yeah. And then I got some other stuff, but I don't know if one used yet. Here I am making a commission sign thing. These are just notes of my pricing. I'm still working them out, and then this will be hung like over above me, hopefully, on my booth. And then my light up sign that I have. Oh my goodness. Everything's everywhere. And then in the other room, I have my new display full of my little watercolors. They're like 2 inches by like 1.5 inches or so. They're pretty tiny. They're like super babies. So I'm gonna sell those, the little originals, and then hopefully I'll be able to sell them. So yay, almost ready for actual packing, but we will see about that. Alright, so right now I'm packing my clothes for MetaCon. I got some pretty cute shirts I'm hoping to wear. I'm not cosplaying for this convention, so I wanted to at least dress nicely because I have a new look for my booth. And then some stuff. This is actually my bed. It's a little messy because I'm trying to pack. Have some of my supplies. I'll show you guys later what I'll be bringing. Also, let me show you this. I found this at Kohl's. It's a little pill box and it's so cute. But I was thinking I could use the pill box as like a travel watercolor. I could put like my little tube watercolors in here for travel, and it's so cute. So I'm excited to try that. Don't know what colors yet. I'll figure out eventually. But yes, let's pack! So I just started packing today. My cat's kind of helping. There she goes. It's also like really dark outside. It's kind of stormy. So yeah, it's gonna be fun because I have to go out and make some errands. So do some errands. I'll make errands before I leave tomorrow for MetaCon. And right now I'm just unpacking. I just unpacked everything that was in this box, and it's just all over the place. All over the place. And just reorganizing basically, and I have a lot of old stuff I'm not bringing, and I have a lot of new stuff that I'm bringing, so hopefully I won't forget anything from that. But I leave tomorrow, and I woke up really early this morning, so. Oh, it's gonna be a long day. thanks you guys for watching my video. I know it's not the most exciting video in the world of me getting ready for the con, but at least now you can see kind of the process. I leave tomorrow morning on Thursday, driving 5 hours to Metacon, and I'm sharing a table with Ashley in the AM, so that should be pretty fun. I do have some other videos I'll be posting for this. It's kind of like continuation videos, so next video, I don't know which one's first, but I'm doing an in-con video and then vlog, and then I'm doing a how to do commissions at a convention. So those two videos should be kind of like continuation. Most of the vlog mostly will be that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time.